From the well-known Glock G42, which is perfect for beginners, to the Keltech P32, which could even beat the great Tomcat, we're looking at the greatest pocket pistols for 2024. Glock G42 380 ACP. The Glock G42 is a 3.25-inch pocket pistol chambered in 380 ACP with a 6-round capacity and a very small stature for ultimate concealed carry and self-defense use. Although it is slightly larger than most competitors' pocket pistols, it is still a viable conceal and carry option. What about its appearance? The design is primarily focused on an easy-to-shoot blueprint, which features such as the Glock Safe action system with multiple integrated safeties, a cold hammer forged barrel, and a standard Glock polymer frame for durability, as well as a lightweight 13-ounce feel. The rail is 4.25 inches tall and 6.25 inches long, and it can accommodate most sights and lights. What about ergonomics and the trigger? The trigger is easily replaceable, and there are numerous aftermarket options available. In terms of ergonomics, the not-too-aggressive grip texture works well. The 380 is also ideal for beginners because it can be learned in a fraction of the time it takes to train with a larger, higher velocity, higher recoil weapon. Glock is constantly innovating new ways to seamlessly integrate the safeties and controls from their larger pistols into their smaller ones. The Walther CCP. The CCP is an abbreviation for concealed carry pistol, and this Walther model lives up to its moniker. The CCP is a 9mm Luger that uses soft coil gas technology for gas-delayed blowback. It slows the slide's rear motion by directing gas pressure through a small port in the barrel. This ensures that the empty cartridge casing is ejected properly when fired. The CCP with an 8-round capacity is at the top of the list for a concealed carry pistol that allows for rapid fire. What's so special about this gun? Its unique non-slip grip comes in handy on rainy days or in other outdoor situations. It also has a reversible magazine release for shooters who are left or right-handed. The front sight is interchangeable, while the rear sight is adjustable. Overall, this is a good pocket pistol gun. And its safety features? The Walther CCP has several features that make it a reliable and secure choice for concealed carry. It features a manual safety, a firing pin safety, and a loaded chamber indicator. The Beretta 3032 Tomcat 32 ACP. Tip-up guns are insanely cool, and the Tomcat is the best. With an open slide and exposed barrel, Beretta's 32 ACP Tomcat looks like the whiny little brother to the Beretta 92 series. This barrel rises, allowing the user to load a single round into the tube without having to rack the slide. This gun is part of a popular cat line of pocket pistols that includes highly dependable models such as the Beretta Bobcat 22LR. It has a short barrel and a high capacity of 7+1 rounds and is about the size of a cell phone, measuring 3.7 inches high and 5 inches long. The tip-up barrel on this pistol allows you to load rounds directly into the tube without racking the slide. With an all-metal frame, you can expect long-lasting performance. It has a double-action, single-action trigger that provides light shooting with a shorter trigger when in single-action mode. And the two-position safety with a slide release feels smooth and prevents both the slide and the gun from firing. The magazine release is located on the left side of the pistol grip and is easily operated with one hand. The sights are rather nubby, but the DASA trigger aids in accuracy. When you switch to single-action mode, the trigger pull becomes lighter and shorter, which aids in shot placement. The Tomcat is predictably quite small, measuring 3.7 inches tall and 4.92 inches long. It is, however, slightly wider than most, measuring 1.1 inches in width. Nonetheless, it's small enough to fit in your pocket and delivers performance on par with its coolness. The Sig Sauer P365 semi-automatic 9mm Luger. Don't get me wrong, the Sig Sauer P365 is somewhere between a pocket pistol and a full-fledged subcompact pistol. With an overall length of 5.8 inches, a height of 4.3 inches, and a weight of 17.8 ounces, it is significantly larger than the other pocket pistols. However, It is still a good concealed carry option and an excellent target practice handgun. The Sig P365 has a high capacity of 10+1 rounds, a snag-free design, comfortable ergonomics, and comes with a flush-fit magazine. There are also models with the X-Ray 3 day-night sights. The striker-fired trigger, stainless steel slide, nitron finish, and polymer grip for enhanced ergonomics are all designed for maximum performance. However, it is bulkier, so I'd look for P365 models with serial numbers greater than 66A100,000. If you need more magazine capacity, the Springfield Hellcat 9mm has a capacity of 13+1 rounds. It has a more tenacious trigger, but it's smaller at 3 inches long. The Beretta Pico 380 ACP. If you want something even smaller for your pants pockets or purse, here's another Beretta. The Beretta Pico, chambered in 380 ACP, is the younger brother of the Beretta Nano, with an even smaller frame that offers a nice modular setting with great ergonomics. With 6 rounds and a DAO mechanism designed for low recoil, this pocket carry gun looks like a toy but shoots like a cannon. With its stainless steel finish, 11-ounce weight, and snag-free design, you can expect this tiny Beretta to last a long time. But what makes it a perfect pocket pistol? It's simple to use and disassemble, and the magazine release is ambidextrous and accessible from either side, making it an ideal left-handed pistol. The 2.7-inch length, which is standard pocket carry size, will come in handy. The modular design encourages gun owners to experiment with different grips, sights, and magazines with a thumb rest. I would recommend the Beretta Pico to newcomers looking for a nice concealed carry pistol that is simple to disassemble and customize. It's practically designed for portability and concealability, and some models include a free storage case and 2 magazines. The Ruger LCP2. Here comes everyone's favorite gun. Ruger's LCP series may be the pinnacle of pocket pistols. The Ruger LCP2 simply does not feel like your average pocket carry gun. It's functionality at its best. This is a very popular model that comes in a variety of calibers, finishes, and accessories, making it simple for anyone to find their gun. It's a refined upgrade of the Ruger LCP, and it's a surprisingly affordable subcompact pistol with unrivaled dependability, snag-free convenience, and a significantly improved trigger pull. The Ruger LCP2 is a well-known pocket pistol CCW gun. How about the LCP2? It's a locked breech, single-stack hammer-fired pistol, just like the original 380. Surprisingly, the new model is only 1/8 of an inch wider than its predecessor. But make no mistake, Ruger mass-produced a dependable, pocket-sized 380 ACP at a surprisingly low cost. Ruger refined it with the LCP2 after it conquered the market. With a weight of 10.6 ounces, a height of 3.71 inches, and a length of 5.17 inches, this little fella fits easily into nearly any pocket. There isn't much to snag on the way in and out. Ruger did equip the LCP2 with proper sights that are far superior to the sights on the original LCP. Ruger improved the trigger as well. The Seacamp LWS 380. Next one on our list is Seacamp LWS. The Seacamp LWS 380 is only 3.25 inches tall and 0.91 inches wide at its thickest point. This little fella weighs 13.65 ounces and is loaded with 6 380 ACP rounds. It has an all-metal body and is extremely light and portable. Sights are nothing more than a trench across the top, and it's difficult to use outside of belly ranges. This tiny blaster epitomizes what a pocket pistol should be. It easily conceals, disappears in a pocket, and is ultimately snag-free. Because it is such a small gun, it has a rough recoil. Yes, it's snappy, and that is about all you can expect from a gun this small. In addition, the DAO trigger weighs about 11 pounds. When you combine that trigger weight with the trench sights, you get a gun designed for close-range use only. Everything is a compromise, and the Seacamp is a compromise on all levels. The Keltech P32. The next one is the Keltech P32. Another .32 caliber offering is a great alternative to the Tomcat. This hammer-fired pocket pistol also has a double-action only trigger. Despite its small size, the P32 is simple to use, with a short recoil operation rather than direct blowback. This reduces the recoil impulse, which can make smaller pistols difficult to control. Now let's talk about its size. The P32 is just over 5 inches long and 0.75 inches wide, so it tucks away easily. It also only weighs 6.6 ounces. This makes it roughly the same size as an iPhone. While this Keltech isn't going to win any beauty contest, it's extremely functional and reasonably priced. The P32 is a great addition to this list because it is small and easy and fun to use. Designed for concealed carry in either the front or back pocket of your pants, the pocket pistol is a suitable option for those who want to protect themselves and/or their family at any given time. Pocket pistols have many benefits, especially for new gun owners. What makes them popular is their ease of use, concealability, and the abundance of aftermarket options for them, and these pistols are an excellent addition to the list because they have the potential to save lives.